Changing your payout method on First Merchants Corp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the First Merchants Corp website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In account settings, find the option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods and available alternatives. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change to, such as bank transfer, check, or another option. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details for the new payout method, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email verifying that your payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to periodically check your payout settings to ensure they are up to date. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support for assistance.